Hi everyone, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a Thai style curry paste. To start this dish, we need to rehydrate 3 dried chilies, just in a little hot water, and set that aside. Apologies if you can hear my dog's water fountain in the background. Next up, we're going to chop up just a little bunch of cilantro, 2 fresh chilies. I'm using bird eye because that's what I have on hand, but you can also use serrano if that's what you have. We need lemongrass, but just the white part of this, so chopping off the top and the bottom root and giving this a little bash so it doesn't overwork our blender before chopping into tiny little chunks and adding that to our container as well. Now, kaffir lime leaves, you can buy these dried. I buy them fresh and freeze them, just ripping these up and removing that woody middle part of the leaf, adding that in as well. A little chunk of ginger, a couple of cloves of garlic, and 1 shallot. Next to go in is a little coriander seed. A lot of coriander seed, actually, it's like 5 tablespoons. Some dried cumin. Peppercorns, I'm using pink because that's what I have. And shrimp paste, I didn't have, but I had the salted shrimp, so I'm just substituting with that. Last but not least, our dried chilies and a half cup of water. We're going to blend that up until it's thoroughly blended before moving that over to an airtight container. Don't forget to wipe the rim of your container because you really want a good seal on this. Pop on the lid, put on a label with a date so you know when it's made. And this is really easy to make in your own home. If you tune in next week, you can see what we're actually going to make with this little curry paste. But there it is, a Thai style curry paste. I hope you all try to make this in your home. Thank you so much again for spending time with me today. I really appreciate every single one of you. If you like this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you haven't already, because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you so much again, and until next time, happy cooking.